Yes,
sir, no problem.
candidate kept it on. So you can also keep it on and we'll go again like this. And you are not a stranger to us. You are a
Sir,
person who has been with us for so many days. That boy is a stranger, you know. He joined
yes, sir.
today only. So that is a separate thing. For you, it's okay, nice.
Yes,
So you, oh, good. Tiwari.
yes, sir.
Very good, Tiwari. Good, 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 good. Excellent. Now, mm, yeah, now where are we? This thing, yeah. Mr. Tiwari, your interview is going to be on which date?
Sir, my interview is scheduled on 5th of April
Acha, acha, 5th of
in
April
in
in
Gurgaon.
Lucknow. In
No, no, sir,
Gurgaon.
Gurgaon, Gurgaon. Yes, sir.
Acha, acha. Oh, the interview in Uttar Pradesh is done in 2, 3 places.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, actually,
Gurgaon is
in
Gurgaon.
Haryana.
Gurgaon is Haryana. Why you have been called in Haryana?
So because actually currently I'm working in Canara Bank in Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. That is nearest to Delhi and NCR places. That is why I think my interview is scheduled on in Gurgaon, sir.
Excellent. So you are already a Canara Bank employee.
Yes, sir.
Since when you are employee of Canara Bank?
So I was employed as a clerical staff in June 2022, sir, last year,
Very good. Very
and it's
good.
been 9 months. Yes, sir.
9 months. In these 9 months, what steps did you take to improve your banking knowledge?
Sir, in these 9 months, first of all, when I entered into my banking career, first of all, I learned how to deal and how to make myself that much comfortable with the customers so that I can solve their problems. And in starting, I was bit conscious about myself that how will I be able to solve the problem of customers which are coming daily with the different problems. Actually, I was in this was my first job, so this was also my pressure on me to do my best. And thereafter, I would like to appreciate my bank manager sir's effort. He helped me a lot, and other staffs also. Uh, so that is why I was
But
able to
now,
cope up.
now here you have to be
Yes.
specific about what they helped you. For example,
Okay.
for this question could have been handled by you by telling, I have gone through the book of instructions of the bank. I have
Manuals,
learned
memos. Yes.
what should be studied, and I am also going through general banking books for knowledge sake. I go through
Yes, sir.
newspaper. I am being helped by my manager in my day-to-day working as to how I can handle difficult customers and say pressure situations, something like that. आप थोड़ा enjoy करके बोल सकते हैं because आपने जो बोला वो it looked as if you are telling out of suffering.
Okay, sir.
समझिए
Okay.
ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. It should be a positive way of expression.
Yes, sir.
Can you try that
So I
again?
can.
Please
Yes, sir.
reattempt that. Yeah.
Yes, sir. First of all, I was
First of all,
started with my.
first
Yes,
of
sir.
all, smile, smile.
Yes, yes, sir. First of
Mm.
all, I started my banking job with a training of 14 days, which was given to me. In that training, I was being given all the opportunities to explore myself in the banking sector, wherein I have read about the manuals, instructions, the CASA manuals of the bank, and also others. I was when I joined my branch. Thereafter, I started reading regular updation of circulars that was issued and regular communication that was issued by the bank. And with that, I was able to start it. Good, sir.
No, you forgot to tell about your manager. The first time you
And
told
one day,
about manager. उसका
yes, sir.
उनका बारे में उसका क्रेडिट दे दीजिए.
Sure. And thereafter, my manager also helped me a lot because real experience come with the person who helps you with the experience. And thereafter, I was able to communicate with the people easily, and that.
Good. Very good, very
Thank you.
good, very good. Nice.
Thank you.
Now, please tell me, Tiwari, what is your father?
So my father works in an Ayurvedic-based company, pharmaceutical company, which is based in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, as a zonal sales manager.
Oh,
And the
good.
yes, sir.
Ayurvedic.
Yes, sir. Ayurvedic company.
Mhm.
It basically deals with the manufacturing of the medicine. And
Medicines. Yeah.
my father works as a representative of the company to sell the products to the doctors and other pharmacists.
Is your father's company making medicines for Corona also?
Yes, sir. My father's company made medicine, which was basically which was named as Coronil, and
Oh,
it
oh.
was yes, sir.
Acha, it was.
And the combination,
It is a
and
lic.
also
It is
and
a.
also one medicine.
Is it a
Yes, sir.
Is it a liquid? Liquid.
No, sir. There was a tablet capsule
Mhm.
named Zovid, and the liquid was Coronil.
Excellent. I never expected you to answer this question. I thought you are not going. You are going to tell me I don't know. Very good. How many siblings you have?
So I have an elder brother who is preparing for UPSC examination, and
Good.
he's senior to me, sir.
Have you started preparing for JAIIB exams?
Sir, I started preparing for these exams, JIB, uh, previous month also, but I was trying to attempt these. As I was a clerical staff, I wanted to get a promotion to officer rank, and then after I wanted to start completely focusing on the JIB and CIB exams. But
Very good.
started preparing little bit, sir.
Yeah, very good. Very good. That's
Yes,
nice. Can you tell us about Canara Bank?
yes, sir. Canara Bank was established in the year 1906, and our founders, her name was Subarao Pai, and thereafter he was basically belonging from profession of a lawyer, but he has a keen interest on helping other people, and because of that interest, he started to build the bank structure to improve the farmers that were farmers and villagers, because in 1906 our country was in a very I can say not very good state. So he around us, when he saw in his village that people are not getting sufficient money and
No, no.
sorry.
See, the interview is going to be for maximum 10 to 15 minutes.
Oh,
And
yes,
iska beach mein you have to create an excellent impression in the mind of the interviewer. So
yes, sir.
there is no fun in your talking about the history of Canara Bank. You tell Canara Bank headquarters so and so place, chairman so and so, so many branches, so many zonal offices, total deposits, total advances, profitability, subsidiaries. बस
Okay, sir.
इतना
Can I
बोलने
try
से हो
again, sir?
जाएगा. Yeah, please try. इतना prepare करके everything facts.
Sure.
बोलिए.
So Canara Bank, yes, sir. Canara Bank was established in the year 1906, and its headquarters is located in Bangalore, Karnataka. And
Yeah.
currently, the MD and CEO of Canara Bank is Mr. K.S. Raju, sir, and in which the advances have a section of 8 lakh crore and deposits is of 12 lakh crore. And it has around 2,000 branches all over the country.
Mm.
And
Yeah.
also, it is currently the third largest bank in the profitability section, and fourth
Yeah.
largest bank as in the business section.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. Good. You told nicely. So what is the interest rate you are paying in your savings account?
Sir, interest rate is of around 2.4% right now, as far as I can remember.
No, the rate you are telling seems to be very low. Canara Bank,
In
SB,
in the savings,
no, no savings bank interest rate must be slightly better than what you are telling.
no,
No, I'm not asking about State Bank. Again, State Bank also I will ask her. That will be afterward. But I wanted to know whether you are thorough about your bank. Just let me see. CanadaBank.com. Just a minute. I'm going to your Canada Bank website. I know, but आजकल लड़का लोग से लड़की लोग से ये सब देखते नहीं क्योंकि एवरीथिंग इज कमिंग इन कंप्यूटर. समझ गया?
yes, sir.
इसलिए हम लोग इसको याद रखने का जरूरत नहीं पड़ता है. लेकिन इंटरव्यू में तो ये सब पूछ रहा है, इसलिए हम लोग ये सब जान के रखना पड़ेगा.
Okay,
वेयर टू सी वेयर टू सी योर इंटरेस्ट रेट किधर मिलेगा आपका?
sir.
आपका 1 मिनट.
Is there
पर्सनल बैंकिंग में आएगा. पर्सनल बैंकिंग में
the
deposit, yeah,
yes,
which
sir.
one it will come, which area it will come. I will show you this.
In the deposit section.
No, इधर देखिए. About us, financial results,
And
then PMJDY tender e-auction announcement, ex-employees, carriers, MSME banking, net banking, priority, NRI banking, Canada ECP, corporate
I think
banking,
it's in the personal banking.
पर्सनल बैंकिंग क्लिक करने से सेविंग्स एंड डिपॉजिट्स
Yes,
इसमें आएगा.
yes, sir.
So I'm not fully familiar with your this thing. Savings and deposits, because every bank's website is separate. Okay, why it is not opening?
Then
पता नहीं. Maybe foreign में नहीं
so
open होगा ना क्या? No.
no, sir, but it's commercial website, but you should.
But it should open, na? It
Yes,
should
sir.
open. It should open for everybody.
So there might be a problem. There might be a problem on the server side, I think.
Server side, yeah. But I think the interest rate will be somewhere around 2.75. It cannot be 2.4. That's why I asked.
Because
Understand?
I told you about the 2.4% rate because, sir, in the recent circular I've read, there was a revision of some rates, but I'm not very sure about that. The rate is 2.4%. So I think it might range according to you.
Mhm. Anybody else know savings bank interest rate of Canada Bank? 2.90. देख लिया?
Yes, sir.
देख लिया? 2.90. Above 5 above 5 crore जाने से तो 2.95. More than 10 crore होने से 3.05. Which bank gives 7% interest on savings bank in India? Suryodai Small Finance Bank, 7% interest. DCB Bank Limited, 6%. Bondon Bank, 6%. RBL Bank, 5.5%, like that. Doesn't matter. Good. Now, why do people keep money in banks?
Sir, people generally keep their money with the bank as because the bank with the if they're keeping their money with the bank, the first of all their money is safe and also insured. And second, that people with saving their money with the as an individual, they if they are saving their money regularly, then they can use it to get the lump sum amount as an interest with the bank. And also with these, if they are depositing the money with the fixed deposit and recurring deposit, that is a time deposit, they can
Mm,
also get loan on that behalf with the
mm.
bank. So these are the profits that they get.
Excellent. Um, what is your basic degree?
So I have done Bachelor of Technology in Electrical Engineering, sir,
Oh,
and
Bachelor
graduated
of
in 2020. Yes,
graduated in 2020. Yeah.
yes.
Now, please tell me, आपका ब्रांच में टोटल बिजनेस पोजीशन क्या होगा? कितना टोटल डिपॉजिट, टोटल एडवांसेस कितना होगा?
Sir, my branch was started in 2016. That is why still it is categorized in the small branch. And my total business of branch is around 13 crore, not lakh. And the advances of around 5 crore, and the rest is my deposit. Is the deposit of
बहुत
the
कम
bank.
है, बहुत कम है.
Yes, sir.
आज
Actually,
आजकल का बिजनेस फिगर्स देखने से तो 13 करोड़ appears to be very low.
very low, sir. Very low. Actually,
अच्छा.
it was opened to I think as a FI rural branch, because the
Oh,
people of that village were going around 4 5 kilometers away, and the nearest branch is also our Canara Bank branch, which is around
hmm.
5 kilometers, and it is a very big branch, sir, and its business
Oh,
is around 90 crore. That is why they were
okay.
not getting that much facilities, that ease of facilities and that branch. So keeping their needs in their mind, the bank opened, I think, also for the social services, to provide
Very
as
good.
a social
I
service to
I
people.
I understand. I understand. Up to what total business is the branch classified as a small branch? Hello.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, I
Up
am
to
not very
what
sure, but can I
you
give my
please check
answer?
it up. You please check up from your manager and tell me tomorrow.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. But I
That
think
is
it is 25 to 30, 25 crores, sir. Then after the branch is categorized is above then above small branch, and it is categorized as media branch, about 25
then
crores.
about what limit is branch categorized as large branch?
Sir, I have to look on that point, sir.
Please check up that classification. Large branch, and then another one.
Very,
What is the
very
other?
large branch,
Very large
very
branch.
large,
Exceptionally large
and
branch and all. थोड़ा थोड़ा
extra large.
वेरीफाई करके हमको बता दीजिए.
Sure, sir.
अभी जरूरत नहीं. जस्ट पर्सनली हमको मैसेज दे दो. सफिशिएंट. ठीक है.
So just after the interview, I would touch on that point, sir.
Yeah. Excellent. Very good. Now, can you tell me what are the challenges banking industry is facing?
Sir, in recent times, banking industries are facing, as there is a world crisis around the global banking sector, in which the three largest banks of three banks of America were fell down, and also one Credit Suisse Bank of Switzerland that was acquired by UBS Bank. So, in global financial sector, there is a very uh, I think a loss of trust in people in the banks, because there might be the reason in the loss of trust, because the people trust the banks and deposit their safe money from their regular savings, and with the misleading decisions of the upper organization management, as it was case in the Credit Suisse and also the other bank that fell down, uh, their misleading decisions.
True,
Like
but
Silicon
don't
Valley Bank is invested in money-backed securities, sir. So I think they were.
true. No, it is true, Tiwari, but then don't talk too much about the negative. We have
Okay,
to tell about the problems being faced. The challenges, for this question, you can manage easily by telling banks are facing challenge of competition among themselves and also with non-banking finance companies. Banks are
that's actually
facing
true, sir.
challenge. Banks are facing challenge in terms of a recovery of advances which become NPA. Something like
Yes.
that you can say. And of course, passing a reference, you can also say banks are also facing negative publicity. You talk in favor of bank. Negative
Okay.
publicity on account of the uh, problems in those three banks and in Credit Suisse Bank, etc. ऐसा बोलने से बढ़िया होगा.
Sir, can I say one point in the as I have seen in the banks recent times, as the RBI is increasing their repo rate, and that is why the interest rates are increasing at a higher rate in our Indian
Hmm.
banking system.
You
So
can,
they are
yeah, the interest rate revision is also, and also the challenges being faced by banks is one due to the COVID crisis and the economy is struggling hard to come out of it.
yes, sir.
That's how you should say. Very good. Excellent. And last question for you. What are the classification of assets in banks?
Sir, classification of assets can be done basically as a standard assets that are performing assets, also known as performing assets, and these assets that are not performing that are categorized in three subclassifications that are substandard assets and doubtful assets and loss assets. Sir. These are the
Very,
asset classifications.
very best wishes. Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank,
Thank you so much.
thank you.
Best wishes. Yeah. You will do still better. Thank you.
Thank
Yeah.
you, sir.
Next 70157. Are you there now? Next person as we come. 70157, please. 70157. आ गया नहीं आया? The next candidate is
Yes, sir.
701.
Yes, sir. I'm here.
आ गया Sagil. Oh, great.
Yes, sir.
Sagil, how are you?
I'm good, sir. What about you?
Sagil? Fine, fine. Sagil, you were not to be seen for so many days, correct?
Yes, sir.
Acha. How are you now? Is your health okay? Are you?
Yes, sir. Everything is fine. Actually, I
Yeah.
was coming late from office for a
Eh,
few days.
acha. You are now working in which organization?
So, Canara Bank. I'm working right now in
Oh,
Canara Bank
acha. You are also
as
Canara
repo.
Bank, like Tiwari.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Oh,
sir.
great,
Yes,
great,
sir.
great. Nice. Yeah. Now, what is the difference between Tiwari's branch and your branch?
So, actually, Tiwari's branch and my branch is quite similar. My branch is also small branch and having a business of 21 crore.
Mhm.
In which we have 16 lakh of deposit and 6 lakh of advances. And
Not,
the
hello,
staff is also
you are using wrongly lakh instead of crore.
a crore. I'm sorry.
It's okay, fine.
Uh,
What is your degree, please? What is your degree?
so my degree is BTech in civil engineering.
Which year did you study that?
2020 I have passed out.
2020. Acha. Good. You are with Canara Bank since last 9 months?
Yes, sir.
Good. Excellent. Has the banking industry changed during the 9 months?
So there has been a digital transformation going on every
Hmm.
day in banking industry.
Hmm.
We are seeing the new features coming every day in digital sphere.
Hmm.
And
No, but
recently
here,
I've seen the
hmm.
like
No, for this,
our yes,
for
sir.
this question, you have to be specific. Here, during these 9 months, means you can tell about the introduction of digital currency, central bank
Yes,
digital
sir.
currency, initially in the wholesale, subsequently in the retail market. Some such
Yes,
information you can tell about that. You can also tell about the revision of repo rate continuously every 2 months that is taking place. Okay.
yes, sir.
Can you tell me about the revision of repo rates, how it has been happening during the last 9 months? क्या होता था in
So
these 9 months के अंदर में?
So before we can say, we remember the year before the repo rate were around 4%, and in last 9 months, every monetary policy committee meeting, we are seeing the increase in repo rate. Like right now, it is around 6.5%, and introduction of standing deposit facility has also introduced to absorb the liquidity.
So this side,
Uh,
yeah. Okay. No, I expected a better answer. I expected that in February it was revised to 6.5. Prior to that, it was so in December, something like that. That
like
to know that you
6.25.
are going to, yeah, you are going through the things. Very nice. So your branch is also in Uttar Pradesh.
Yes, my branch is in Badot, Uttar Pradesh.
Oh, उत्तर प्रदेश only. ठीक है. Good. अच्छा जी, उत्तर प्रदेश में फॉर्मर्स का बारे में आप लोग का बैंक में क्या स्पेशल फैसिलिटीज देते हैं? और
Sir,
यू कैन रिमूव द वर्ड स्पेशल. क्या फैसिलिटीज देते हैं?
so for farmers, we have different loans like Kisan credit card, Kisan overdraft, Kisan Tatkal, and being a syndicate, I am I am posted in Syndicate Bank, which was
अच्छा
merged in Canara Bank. That syndicate
अच्छा.
branch, we have
Oh,
those loans also, like farm development loan. We have also that present, which is
अच्छा.
uh, not offering now, but yeah, that loan was also there.
Oh. Good.
In this, like Kisan credit card have a interest rate of only 7% for farmers, and if they repay in time, it is effectively 4% only.
Good. What is PM Swanidhi scheme?
Sir, in PM Swanidhi scheme is for farmers, in which government is providing 6,000 rupees in to farmers in the installment of 2,000 in every 4 months, directly transferred to bank account of farmers.
Sahil, I am asking one thing, you are telling another thing. हम कुछ पूछ रहे हैं, अब दूसरे चीज को बोल रहे हैं. हमने बोला है पीएम स्वनिधि स्कीम क्या है? ये तो 10,000 रुपया लोन देना टू द प्लेटफॉर्म वेंडर्स. आपने जो बोल
So,
रहे हैं दैट इज पीएम किसान
that is
सम्मान
Samman,
निधि.
Kisan Samman Nidhi. Yes, I'm
पीएम
sorry.
किसान सम्मान निधि डजंट मैटर. साहिल, आपका पिताजी क्या काम करते हैं?
So my father worked as a freelancer accountant in multiple firms in Panipat.
या यू टोल्ड मी. अच्छा. गुड. Is working in as an accountant. Yeah.
Yes.
What is balance sheet?
So balance sheet is a record of firms credit and debit and credit records, uh, which comprises of uh, profit and loss of the firm. Actually,
Hmm.
don't have that much idea, but
No, but you have been
that's
working
idea.
in bank for last 9 months. By this
Yes.
time, these terms must be comfortable for you. What is balance sheet? What is liability? What is assets? What is depreciation? What is goodwill? ये सब के लिए तो आप आसान से बोलना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि
Yes,
अब
sir.
तो 9 महीने से अब बैंक में काम करते हैं. अब रोज का काम क्या है जी आपको? खाली नोट्स काउंट करना ये काम करते हैं और कुछ दूसरा बढ़िया चीज करते हैं?
So actually, we have staff of manager plus clerical. So I am also a cashier and do all the miscellaneous work except the loans for which agriculture officer come on deputation every Wednesday in our branch.
हम्म.
Like I do cash, KYC documents, ATM refilling, and all the other miscellaneous work.
अच्छा. What is KYC documentation?
So KYC documentation is knowing your customer and uh, and making the record of their officially valid documents freshly updated in the record of the customer file. Officially valid documents are Aadhaar card, a voter ID, passport, a letter from Manrega, and
Good. Do you know something about PM Awas Yojana?
sir, PM Awas Yojana uh, is I have a rough idea about that. Can I tell you so?
Yeah, please tell me.
So PM Awas Yojana is a centrally sponsored scheme for paying housing for all, in which there are houses given at low rates to the public in of two BPL families, in which they're at subsidized rate.
Thoda, you should prepare about that. It tells about some subsidy being given and all that. So you please prepare for that.
Yes,
You are
sir.
not prepared fully about that. Okay.
Yes, I'll do that.
Yeah. Now, why should you be promoted as probationary officer? What makes you think you deserve being promoted as a probationary officer?
So from the last 9 months, I'm working as a clerical staff in bank, and I have seen the banking culture and working of bank. So I think I I already have a friend. I am already I have a comfortable in the banking environment already. So if I will promoted as a probationary officer, this will be beneficial for my organization, as I have already worked in, and as a clerical staff I have worked in the on the
Peter,
ground, like I have
Peter,
interacted with the customer.
please tell me what is the interest rate you are giving in your savings bank account? I asked
So it's
previous candidate also. 2
yes,
point,
sir.
how much?
2.99% up to 5 crore, and above that it's 2.95%.
Excellent. How much is State Bank of India paying?
So it's 2.70% uh, up to like 10 crore, and above that is 2.75, I think.
Above that, it is 3%. Above 10 crore, it is 3%. Now, can you tell me why State Bank is paying lower interest rate, whereas Canara Bank is paying a higher interest rate? Why?
So SBI being the biggest bank of India in public sector bank, it has a brand value, so it can offer a lower interest rate and still have attract customers, more customers. So according to the RBI given rates, it can go for the minimum interval also.
Yeah, actually, the one, whatever answer you said was not wrong. But you can also mention, you should try to mention that it depends on the requirement and requirement of the branch, asset liability management by the branch. Each bank
Yes.
does its assets and liability depending on the need. Banks offer different rate of interest. Some banks give a higher rate of interest. Some banks give a lower rate of interest. Do you follow?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir. As CASA is required in Canara Bank more, so interest rate should be more in Canara Bank
Yeah.
or SB.
Funds required in Canara Bank is more. That is why Canara Bank is offering a higher rate of interest. Obviously, nothing wrong in that.
Yes.
Good. What are the loan schemes about which you are familiar?
So
Hello.
being in a Yes, sir. Being in a rural branch, I am familiar with the agri loans only because most of our advances are of agriculture.
Please tell your
So,
experience regarding agricultural advances.
sir, I have been familiar with KCC, that Kisan Credit Card I have told earlier, KOD
Hmm.
and Kisan Tatkal. These three loans are very frequent in our branch. In
Mhm.
which KCC we are giving 7% interest rate in KOD. It is subsidy has not been provided in KOD, and it is a extra loan we give to the farmers, and up to 1.6 lakh it is collateral free, and above that we have to take collateral from the farmer, and
Mhm.
above 3 lakh in KCC there is no subvention for the farmers. So the effective interest rate is 7% instead of 4% in case of less than 3%. And Kisan Tatkal is also given to farmers without collateral when there is a instant need of money. Like there is no procedure of deeds like a hold on
Can you
they're holding their account.
can you tell me something about gold loan or jewel loan? Is it there in your branch or not there?
No, sir, it is not there in our branch, but uh, we have
Do
not
you
done
know?
any. No, sir,
You,
we have
do,
not
do
done
you
it.
have any no idea? Doesn't matter. But
Yes,
थोड़ा
sir, I
उसका
have
बारे
idea
में
of gold.
बोलिए. What is gold loan?
So gold loan, in gold loan we give the money against collateral, pledging the gold to us in our strong room after I think appraising the loan by two appraisers. This is why we are not able to do the loan, because there is no availability of appraiser around our branch, and we are searching for that.
Yeah. In your branch, you are having bank correspondence.
Actually, sir, last week we have make one of the banking correspondent recently, but
Achha.
before that we don't have.
Oh, very good, very good. Has he started working?
No, sir, he is waiting for his machine to that POS machine to arrive.
Come, very good. Now come to State Bank of India. Please tell me what are the subsidiaries or joint ventures in which SBI is interested?
Sir, SBI credit card cards and limited credit card limited is actually I have not read about it, but I have uh, studied about SBI credit card limited. One of the company, there are also foreign branches just like SBI, I think Malaysia.
Hmm. No, I think you are not prepared it fully. There are so many things in this. If you go to website and click subsidiaries, you will know SBI Life Insurance Company Limited, SBI General Insurance
Yes, sir.
Company Limited,
General insurance.
SBI Cards and Payment Services Limited, SBI Funds Management Limited, SBI Capital Markets Limited, SBI Cap Securities Limited, SBI Cap Ventures Limited, SBI Cap Trustee Company Limited, SBI SG Global Securities Services Private Limited, SBI DFHI Limited, then SBI Payment Services Private Limited, SBI Global Factors Limited, SBI Pension Funds Private Limited. इतना है जी. इस सबका बारे में अब पढ़ के मन में रखना है. At least 2-3 organizations, like you can study about SBI Life Insurance, SBI General Insurance, SBI Cards. ये तीनों कंपनीज कैसे काम करता है ऐसा मपी वो भी पढ़ के मन में रख लीजिए.
Yes,
Okay.
sir, I'll study about that. Yes, sir.
Now, what is SBI in news? What are the things for which SBI is in news? You please go to net and find out what are the trending offers they are giving, what are the offers they are giving. So that will make you tell the answers for this one. Very good. Now,
Yeah.
what are your hobbies?
Sir, my hobbies are watching movies and stand-up comedies on OTT platforms, and I also like to watch World Affairs, know about the World Affairs on YouTube, etc. platforms.
Excellent. Now, what do you think about work-life balance? आजकल कितना घंटा काम करते हैं आप रोज?
Sir, being a small branch, I usually leave at 5:30.
अच्छा अच्छा. You are lucky, Baba. You are really lucky. हाँ, लेकिन जब
Yes,
आपने बड़ा बैंक में ज्वाइन करेगा, आपको कम से कम there are ladies working up to 9 o'clock in the night.
yes, sir,
So,
I have
four,
few
five,
friends who are working.
4 5 days back, a girl called and told she is working in Federal Bank and right now she is in the office 9 o'clock in the night. इतना भी कम होगा. How will you manage?
Sir, if required, I have also worked up to 8 o'clock in the small branch also. So it's not a problem for me. I'll work if required.
अच्छा, good. बट आप क्यों इतना डल लगते हैं? थोड़ा खुशी होना है ना, थोड़ा हैप्पी होना है. हाँ, स्माइल करो.
Yes, sir.
हम तो
Yes, sir.
I have been telling repeatedly to all candidates, smile, 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 or at least look like Anurag with angry face. Anurag is keeping some Ritik Roshan or somebody's foot. Doesn't matter. Very nice. Now, do you have any questions, Mr. Sahil? But did you did you have the interview to your satisfaction, or you feel that you should improve your performance?
Yes, I feel I should improve my performance in current affairs and especially about SBI. I have very little
Yeah.
information about SBI.
But I don't know why. I have been with you people all the day and telling you this, that, and all. But still, the extent of acquisition of knowledge, though, not to my satisfaction. Because, you are competing with the candidates who are बिल्कुल bright, इतना alert है. जो लोग like a fire they will talk. One, communication, knowledge, general knowledge, सब कुछ बढ़िया होगा. You are competing with them. Remember that. समझ गया. But of course, आपका इंटरव्यू में उतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा क्योंकि they will ask mostly question about your Canara Bank only. So इसमें चला जाएगा. फिर भी आपको communication skills have to be improved. Knowledge has to be studied. For example, you could not tell me even jewel loan. अरे भाई, ये तो बीकॉम का लड़का और बीएससी का लड़का जो अभी नया बैंक के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, वो लोग भी बोल सकते हैं हमको गोल्ड लोन का बारे में. आपने तो बोलने नहीं पाए. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा
I'll
प्रिपेयर कर
prepare for
दीजिए.
that.
थोड़ा प्रिपेयर कर
Yes.
दीजिए. That will help you a lot. Best wishes. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you. I think I will close this and come again. Ajit Nim Janamajain Janjali. I'll close this and come again because I've been here for